A beautiful song for you. You gotta check out her voice. It's absolutely amazing. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage all of you staff, Cello! I didn't know the end of the song. You look absolutely amazing. I think we've just come up with a new form of our youth staff uniform.
Yes, it was really wonderful.
So you're from the Philippines?
I do.
Where in the Philippines?
From Manila.
And do you sing when you're back home?
I sing when I teach my students.
You have students back home?
Yeah, I teach.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And how long have you been singing?
Oh, like 9 years? Because I've been teaching for 9 years.
Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, she do a great job.